Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's December the 14th, 2021. We're going to talk about Aurora Cannabis today on this video. Take a look at the chart. Yeah, I did a video in Aurora Cannabis all the way on November the 12th, 2021. We was playing the strength into the market on that particular video. You guys can see that we had a couple of days, to where the market did go up. But look at the price now. I mean, what in the world is going on in Aurora Cannabis? Let's talk about that. Welcome to HueFin, also known as HueFin. This is what I do. I don't come in and try to confuse you all, because I once were in your shoes. I once was at a point where I was trying to understand technical indicators. I wanted to do the RSIs, the MACDs, the Fibonacci traits. I wanted to configure, combine this indicator with that indicator to maybe give me the holy grail as to how to read the markets and the charts and try to give me a leg up amongst the competition. And I soon figured out that that is not the way. The way that you can actually win is by predicting the market. And you can do that just by looking at the price bars and volume, right? You can. So let's talk about that today. All right, so make sure you hit the like button, considering also subscribe to the channel. Now, let's break this down, okay? I keep it real here on this channel. I'm not here to give you a whole lot of hype and FUD. I tell you what I see on a price chart. We play it on a price prediction and we see what happens. Take a look at Aurora Cannabis. We played the strength on November the 12th. So let me zoom in on this real quick. Okay, look at this. I was expecting the price to go up in Aurora Cannabis, and it did. I mean, it did. We had what? November the 12th, 15th, November the 15th, November the 16th, November the 17th of days to where we could at least grab some back, right? And I'm not the one to tell you to hold on to plays forever, right? I'm not that particular type of YouTube channel, because I know that there's times where you need to come in and grab the bag and put the profits in your account. Imagine the ones who held on to Aurora Cannabis, right? All the way back since it was $19 the beginning of this year. Because someone told you the dollar cost average. They want you to come in and buy every dip. Well, you still be accumulating to this day, because the market in Aurora Cannabis is not that lively. It's not that volatile, which is not a negative thing, but the main focus and purpose of a market is for you to come in and make money, period. That's it. We're not here to fall in love with a stock. So many other YouTubers want you to believe in the company that you are buying. No, you shouldn't believe. Belief has nothing to do with the markets. You come in and make the money, you move on. There's no emotions when you come in and participate with everyone else. Because once you become emotional, you begin to make some irrational decisions. You begin to act erratically when you see market go against you. You cannot be emotional when you play these markets. So, were you able to grab some of the profitability out the market in Aurora Cannabis? I even told you on that video that we might need to take some bag out. Profitability right there around $8, right? That was 6%. I wasn't confused. I understood that we could see selling come into the market right there. All right, right here. We knew that. You could go back and listen to it. And then I said the next area will be up here towards 9, right? Now, did we reach up there towards 9? We didn't. The high came in right there around $8.70 though. That was about 14.66%. And outside of that, this wasn't a relatively long play. It happened real quick. 3 to 4 days. It was about the amount of time you had to come in and eat. Outside of that, yeah, you'll be down in the play. And let's see. If you were to get out now on the close of yesterday, it's 21%, right? Yeah, to be down. Now, let me talk about this real quick, because I don't want you all to think that the price in Aurora Cannabis is massively weak. So I'm going to take this horizontal line right here, and I'm going to bring it down to where the buyers are coming through. The buyers are coming in around $6, $5.50, right? That's where they're coming in at. And it's not a coincidence. I mean, take a look. The answers are already here. There's no confusion in the market. Back here on May the 14th, 2020, the market bounced in Aurora Cannabis right there. And not only that, this area was acting as restriction back in September of 2020. And it also acted as restriction in October of 2020. And we broke it in November of 2020. So yeah, this is a very crucial spot, location to where the market is trading at right now in Aurora Cannabis. It is. So now let's see what we have. I mean, we can still see price go down. This market is not massively strong. It's not. And it's to the point to where I mean, when you don't see a lot of price action, you don't really come in and participate yet, right? This is the market that you don't come in and trade. This is the market that you don't come in and invest right now, because the market is dead. It's not giving us any life. There's not a lot of, volatility being seen here. But to come in and see how supportive price has been around $6, yeah, I mean, you can come in and nibble a little bit right there, right? But there's still weakness. And I say that because of these 5-day price bars, right? So am I saying that this market here in Aurora Cannabis is a buy now? I don't. Now, if we saw the same price bar on this 5-day, this current 5-day price bar, if it looked the same way that this one did when it completed, yeah, I would say that the buyers are still coming into the market. But right now, we're closing at the low end of that 5-day price bar. That is not conducive of seeing buying. And this is in conjunction to what happened here on these two 5-day price bars. So overwhelmingly, this market here in Aurora Cannabis is still weak, right? It is. So if it's still weak, can we see the market come down to $5 and what, 40 cents? Yeah, we can. Let's see what it'll give us though. It's about another 9%, maybe 10.5% movement to the downside, right? But yeah, I don't see a play here into the market in Aurora Cannabis. And I'll be the one to tell you, I keep it real. I'm not here to tell you to come in and buy the market, tell you the dollar cost average, tell you to buy the lows, tell you to buy the dips. No, that's not what we do. We don't do that here. If the market is dead, it's dead. And sometimes you just need to find another opportunity and another play. And I'm kind of getting that right now in Aurora Cannabis, only because I don't see buyers stepping in right here around $6. Like I said, if this current 5-day price bar looked the way that it looked on this last completed one, which started December the 1st, then yeah, I will say the buyers are still trying to confirm $6 as support, but they're not showing us to us yet. We got 8 hours and 31 minutes, so everything's going to be dependent on today's trading day. Okay, today. If it concludes the way that it looks now, I'm telling you now that the market is still weak. Okay, so until we see buyers step into the market in Aurora Cannabis, we're going to continue to play the weakness, or we're going to continue to expect that there's no play here. I mean, we are trading so far towards $0 that you just need to simply wait and find another opportunity to find the market to move up, right? I don't see anything here right now. So I'm not going to put a price prediction on. You can drop a comment right now and tell me where you think the market is going to go. But as of right now, this is not a playable market in Aurora Cannabis. We got to find another opportunity, right? We got to find another stock that is giving us some movement that we can actually capitalize from. You can drop a comment and tell me which stock you think that is, so we can take a look at it, right? So that we can get in position in that market and still win. But until that time, we're going to play a no play, right? That's going to be my price prediction, a no play in the market for Aurora Cannabis. I wanted to teach you all that every market is not a play. And this is one instance to where the current environment in Aurora Cannabis is not giving us any indications that is ready to go up right now. Okay. So I'm going to leave this right here though, because I'm going to continue to come in and glance and look at the market, surveil it, see if the buyers are still appearing. Because if so, I'll come through and do another video and tell you that I'm looking for the price to go up. I'll do a price prediction again, but right now I don't see a play here. And we might not get a play until this earnings release right here, which is expected to be on February the 10th, 2022. But as of right now, I'm gonna step away, find another opportunity, and jump on that market. All right, so let me know your thoughts though. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.